Okay, hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to insert picture into our text. Okay, so now let's see all together. So this is the text that I already have in Word, right? Okay, and I want to have one pictures in here. So I have to insert it, right? So we go to insert, and you see pictures in here, right? Okay, and then you can choose the location of the picture or your pictures, right? I I took here and I choose from here. Okay, and I click on one picture, and okay. So now the pictures is here, right? Already, and we can expand or make it smaller like this, right? Okay, drag in, drag out, right? Okay, but we cannot move. We cannot move like this, right? Okay. So in order to make our picture can move, so you go to the wrap text here and you click, you choose in front of text. Okay, like this you can move now, right? Okay, and I make it smaller. Okay, decrease the size. Okay, and I want to put here. But you see, the picture is over the letter, over the text. Okay, we cannot see the text here. So we go to wrap text again, and we choose. You can choose square or tile here, right? It's okay. Okay, I choose this one. I choose tiles here. Okay, so now the pictures or the text is okay next to the picture, right? Okay, but it's not on behind the picture. It's not behind the picture, right? Okay, so you can move like this. Okay, so this is how to insert the pictures into our text in Word, right? Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you want to see more video, please don't forget subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.